Where's Sockmonkey? Hey, what's up? Not this again. Okay, sorry. Okay. Did you notice that we actually got an intro change? No? Well, you can look at this at the end of the video. Hey, what's this? I don't know. Oven. Oh, this looks pretty cool. It's like where I can bury my stuff. Ew, that's gross. You're gross. What? Okay. Oh, I can actually cook him. Nice. Alright, I can cook him. Okay, I guess it's just making my stuff. Okay, I've been waiting here for 5 minutes now. Okay, it's still not coming in? Oh my god. Where is he? Come on, Sockmonkey. Ugh! Wait, what? Where'd he go? Where in the world did he go? Not in here. Not in here. Definitely not in here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. I don't know, he's definitely not in there. Come on, man. Okay. I guess he has to be in this bucket right here. Sockmonkey! I'm sorry, man. No, you're not sorry. Because you clearly hid from me in that oven. And you're not doing that ever again. Never! Yeah, I can still do it. Hey, don't you dare go in there. Don't you dare go in there. Ow! My head! Ow! Oh, God. Guess I'm just gonna have to wait for him. Ow! I've had enough. Come on. Oh, God. That's loud. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah. Where is he? Come on. Isn't it? Ugh! Had enough of you, Sockmonkey. Sorry, man. Just don't yell at me and all this. Okay, are you really threatening me now? And you also made me drop this. Actually, no, you dropped it. We dropped it. Da 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 da. Okay, I'll stop. Alright. Alright, where else should we go? Nowhere. We're leaving this place. Immediately. Okay, maybe we can look over here. Stay here, Sockmonkey. Okay. Man, this is awesome. I could just watch how this happens. Wait. I'm not looking at anything. Some stuff. Alright. Sockmonkey, it's time to... You've got to be kidding me. Where is he? Where is he? Sockmonkey, come on! This isn't a joke! I'm guessing he probably went somewhere in here. He probably went in the ovens again. Now this is getting pretty ridiculous. Why is this open? That's weird. Okay. Okay, that's definitely gotta be Sockmonkey in there. Come on, Sockmonkey! I've just had enough of you. I'm putting you in here. Ugh. This is ridiculous. Ugh. Hey, he's the one doing all this crap. Oh. Stay in there, Sockmonkey. Stay there. Alright. I'm going to guard it 24/7. Man, I just wish he could stop annoying me so bad. Like, I don't know how he's doing this. I gotta be Sockmonkey dropping. It's fine. Alright, Sockmonkey, how you do? Is he seriously missing again? Oh my god, dude. Now I gotta go find him over in the oven area. This is absolutely ridiculous. Ugh. I just want him to be in prison. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god. Okay, he's not in there. I really hope he doesn't ever get in there. Now that is a strange noise. Oh wait, he's in there? Yeah, he's definitely here. Alright. This has gotta be the worst time you've triggered me so bad. Dude, I'm sorry. No, sorry isn't going to do it. So mean. Get in there. Now. Hey, can I get an empty box?
No, it's too big, man. No.
Oh. That's gotta be... You gotta be kidding me. I just want a freaking box. Well, maybe I can put him back here and bury him between the bread stuff. Okay, I'm gonna guard it too. Alright. He will never be able to get caught. Okay, so I'm just going to... What was that? Oh, it's probably nothing. Just a little bit of movement. Okay. Now, what do I do? Oh, God. Oh, my God. Why did you do that, Sockmonkey? You're ridiculous. Why did you do that, Sockmonkey? Why? I'm probably passed out. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed.